everybody, welcome back to my channel, Minimalux. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Glenn. So today's video is another unboxing video that I'm really excited to share with you. As you may know from my previous video that I was looking for a belt bag, I found a nice belly belt bag, except that it didn't look and fit right for my petite 5 feet 4 inches frame, so that bag had to go back, unfortunately, to Farfetch. It was around the second week of December, I believe, when I was browsing around, and one day I went into the My Theresa website when I found this beautiful leather belt bag. So now let's get on with the unboxing. This is the bag. There it is. Beautiful ribbon. My Theresa. Beautifully wrapped. Thank you. This package has been lovingly wrapped. And it was signed. As soon as I saw this bag, oh my god, I fell in love. Luckily, their Black Friday sale was still going on at that time. The original price of this bag is $1,700, but it was on sale for $11.90. So I think that's about 30% off. That's why I couldn't pass it up. It's such a great deal for a Loewe leather bag like this. And with the tax, I paid $1,303 US. So this bag is called the Convertible Sling, and it's in the classic calfskin leather. If I decide to keep this bag, this would be my second bag from the brand Loewe. My first Loewe bag is called the Loewe Gate Bucket Bag, which I purchased pre-loved from Fashion File about a year and a half ago. Now let's see what fits inside the Loewe Convertible Sling Bag. Well, now that I have decided to keep this bag, let's cut off the My Theresa tag. The dimensions of the bag: for the height, it measures about 5 inches. The depth of the bag measures about 3 1/4 inches. And finally, the width of the bag measures about 11 1/4 inches. What I love about this bag is that since it's made of a very soft calfskin leather, much like the design of the original Loewe puzzle bag, this bag can be folded flat, which can easily be packed inside your luggage when traveling.